Hi guys, Ankit this side from Digital Barfi. So in this video, I am going to talk about the preferences section that is available in the Shopify dashboard and why you should focus more on this and what it will help you out in a very long run, how it will help you in organic searching and SEO point of view. So to access that preferences, so you will have to click on this online store section. Okay, once you click on this online store section, you will find the preferences in the bottom last. Okay, so click on these preferences and you will find out here it's asking about title and meta description. Okay, so basically what is title and what is meta description? Let's suppose you are searching for something like digital marketing. So digital marketing is a keyword. Okay, now you can see this is called title. Wait, this is called title. Okay, this is basically the title contains the keywords why this organic searching appears in the first page or first half of the organic search in the digital page. That's because I have searched for digital marketing and this title is optimized for this keyword digital marketing. Okay, so we should keep in mind what exactly is the target audience, sorry, what exactly is the target keyword, and try to include that in your title. Like suppose corona things is something about uh, corona things. Okay, so I wish my title to be like mm, fine, corona things, like keep yourself safe from corona using touchless goods. Now what is meta description? So basically meta description is a a small gist of what exactly this website is all about. So you can see this is called meta description. It has a character limit of 320, but in this 320 character limit you will have to show to your audience that what exactly you will get to find when you click on this link. Okay, so like see, this is a organic listing where it's showing digital marketing made simple, step by step guide. Okay, so digital marketing is any form of marketing products also that involves electronic devices. This is the reason it has been around for decades. See, this meta description just gives us a gist of what exactly I'm going to get find when I click on this link. So your meta description should also contain, see, remember this digital marketing keyword is again coming up in the meta description. Okay, so we will have to make sure our meta description also contains the keyword. Like suppose uh, save uh, you know keep yourself safe and sound with the amazing touchless. Keep yourself safe and sound with the amazing uh, touchless products compiled from all around the world at your fingertip. Okay, uh, choose choose from a wide variety of masks, sanitizers. Don't forget, since this is an e-commerce store, so I would request you don't forget to mention your USP even in meta description. It will help give the reader a clear signal that okay, so these are all the things that I am going to get apart from the products that we have on offer, like free shipping. See what I have communicated here: free shipping and cash on delivery available. Okay, live chat support and awesome customer support. Live chat and awesome customer support. Okay, delivery within 4 business days. So I have communicated each and everything apart from the products that I have on my store Corona thing. So when someone searches for Corona things, so this will come up with something like this. It will appear something like here, and this will be our meta description. This will be our outer title. Just remember. See, I forget to my main keyword is Corona. Okay, so I forgot to include it. Now I have included. So fine. See, Corona is available in home title. It's meta description. Now social sharing images. So this is basically your image. Corona things or whatever your logo is, whatever your you have designed your logo or anything like you can image put it here just to just to give you an idea. I'm just putting it any random image here. Let me just uh, put out an image. Okay, so basically I just included one random image. Here also you can page title, you can give the page title, you can give the meta description, and that meta description page title will say something about your like images. So it will basically take all this page title and meta description from here. Okay, now coming to the Google Analytics. So Google, every store should or every website should have a Google Analytics just in order to check where this visitors are coming from, how much time they are spending, which pages they are wasting, and things like that. So it's a very huge thing. It's a free tool, but like just like air, water, and food is required for any human, Google Analytics is the prime requirement for any website if you are planning to measure your performance, measure your visitors count, and stuff like that. Okay, where will you get this Google Analytics account? Where will you get this Google Analytics tracking code? So inside the Google Analytics, since I have already claimed this for my digital coffee, so I'm telling you, if you have already claimed your digital analytics, so if you want to add something, so all you have to do is click on this uh, you know uh, we have to click on this admin section. Okay, once the admin section has been clicked, it will open a new page where you can click on this create a property. uh, Inside the property, if you want to measure only web, then it's web. Continue. Website name is URL is like right now my URL is this. Okay, maybe might not take because I have not claimed my invalid. Okay, so okay, Corona things might resolve. See, this is the backend. Like suppose I remove this myself. Fine. So okay. So it's taking industry you will have to select the industries based on what type of business you are doing. Like suppose I am in shopping, so I will do support shopping. Time zone should be taken carefully because like suppose if your store is in India but you want to target US audience, so you will have to keep this in mind while selecting this. Okay, then you just have to create on this, click create. Okay, that's been created, I think. Fine, that's been created. So this is your tracking. Google has generated one, so you have to just copy this and paste it here. Okay, uh, fine. So this is done. Now, what is Facebook Pixel code? So Facebook Pixel is a code which Facebook, provides for every ads account. That code basically tracks the visitors before and after visiting your website, and They track each and everything related to the visitors that your visitors that are jumping on your website. So it provides a lot of informative data for retargeting and stuff like that. So where will you get this Facebook pixel? So again, this is a very huge topic. If you want, I will discuss it in details. But as of now, I will tell you just where to find this Facebook pixel code. Okay. So this Facebook pixel code sits somewhere inside. Okay, fine. Let me. So this Facebook pixel code sits somewhere inside Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, fine. I have done that. Sorry for that. So yeah, in this is an ads manager. Okay, so inside this ads manager you will find the event manager. My look and feel of this Facebook looks a bit different from what you will be having, because I'm a beta user, and I'm using this new layout. Hopefully you will also get that layout. Okay, so inside this you will find Facebook pixel code, like data source, custom customers, and pattern integrations. Okay, it's taking a bit of time for loading. Mhm. So see, Facebook pixel track website activities. Okay, optional. This is optional, means you can skip. Fine. Uh, so basically, where is this? Yeah. You can see this 2399555. Okay, let me go back. Okay, since this is Shopify, so continue. Go to settings. Okay, fine. Select online store. Continue. I've done that. Mm, continue. Wait. So this is the Facebook pixel code. Now all I have to do is click on this and enter the Facebook pixel ID. That's it. Done. Now what is password protection? This is applied to every store which doesn't run on any of the paid plans of Shopify. So if you want to remove this password, so you will have to have a plan enabled. The minimum plan amount is $29 per month. So before that, if you want to just if you are playing around with your Shopify store and not in a plan to uh, take it online, take orders from customers and process it. So it's better not to choose a plan. But if you are damn serious about your business and want to extend it, just design your website in trial period, and once you are done, just pick a plan and get going. So all you have to do is you click on save button. That's it. So that's a major part of this. It's a tracking way. It will just I just played with title, meta description, then social setting. If someone shares code or nothing, then this image will appear, or the image that you will select will appear. Then I have also to show you how to get Google Analytics code and Facebook Pixel code. So hope you learned a lot of things here. It was a very short video, but I think it might help you out in the longer run how to track your and analyze your traffic. So if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and share this video among your peers who can get benefited from my content. Okay, guys, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.